morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, it's just me. Yeah, no, not really. I'm actually on my way to meet up with my buddy Kelly. You guys might remember him from a few videos ago. We went to a place called Sessions. Yeah, that guy. For those of you guys that are wondering where Z is, he's on vacation. Sort of. He actually had his real job to tend to. So until we get to Kelly, it's just you and I. Think I can beat myself to the white line? Let's try. See if I win. I win. I won. Son of a bitch. I'd probably tell you, I am having some motorcycle issues. My battery is completely dead in this bike. Maybe today we'll wind up getting a battery. But every time I shut the bike off, you're going to see I'm going to have to push start it. Why did that guy do that? Alright, the place we're going to today, it's called San Sivar. It's an El Salvadorian spot, man. It's a staple in Costa Mesa, from what I've found. And I can't take credit for finding the place. My friend Kelly found it. He said his roommate recently went in there for a carne asada burrito, and he said it was one of the best he ever had. Now, Kelly's got a pretty good track record with me. The last place he suggested served me the best meatball sandwich I ever had in my life. Remember that place, Sessions? That was a fun video. This place has been around Costa Mesa for a number of years. How long? I wasn't able to figure that out. But it's one of the highest ranked El Salvadorian places in all of Orange County. Now the burrito caught our attention for this place, but that's not entirely why we're going. I don't know anything about the food that they serve in El Salvador. So I did a little research and I found that a pupusa, I hope I said that right, is a national dish for El Salvador. And with this place being a high-ranking El Salvadorian pupuseria, I figured this is a spot to try one. Let me tell you a little bit what that is. Now pupusa, it's a thick griddle cake or flatbread made with rice or cornmeal, and more often than not it comes stuffed with a bunch of ingredients like cheese, chicken, pork, stuff like that. We're definitely going to order some of those. I also have a couple of burritos on the list that I want to try, and who knows, man, I might order some other stuff. I'm not sure. I am expecting this place to knock it out of the park. I'm very excited about it. I'm super hungry also. Want to know something crazy? You know why we don't see the sky right now, the blue sky? It's all smoke, it's all fire stuff. Yeah, man, the air quality is horrible right now. The whole state's on fire. Yeah, watch. If I shut the bike off, it won't start on its own. Okay, it's off, right? Turn it on. Yeah, I'm hitting the button, nothing happens. Kelly, good to see you, sir.
How you doing, buddy?
All right, Kelly. This is your spot today, right?
My buddy's spot. I've actually never been there, but it comes very highly recommended. Some Salvadorian food. My buddy literally said he never leaves reviews or anything, but he left these guys a review because it was some of the best food he's ever had.
All right, but we are having some bike problems, Mr. Kelly.
Okay.
Every time I shut the bike off, we're going to have to push start it.
All right, we'll park on hills. What's all this? This is just dirt?
You've never seen mud on a sport bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I gotta get a new battery for this thing. Just fatten the day up a little bit and get a new battery. I need it. Give the camera to Kelly. See what he gives you. Welcome back. Full disclaimer, normally I'd go to Chaparral for a battery, but Chaparral's like an hour and a half in the other direction, and my need for a battery is immediate. The hell is that? That thing looks ridiculous. Alright, Kelly, you give me the white line? Give him another shot. He got me that time. I'll bet you lunch that I can get you across the street. I don't think he was paying attention. Oh, batteries aren't cheap, are they, man? Yeah, please. I need a battery for a 2008 GSXR 750 shitbox edition.
All right. Did you want to get the lead acid or the lithium?
The cheap one.
Let's see what I got. I'll be right back.
Thanks. How you doing?
Good, how you doing? It's not an off-road bike, right? Why is it so damn pretty?
Sometimes it is.
Telling him the same thing.
Sometimes.
Hey, if you can ride it, man. It doesn't matter.
For sure. Let's see if it starts. No more bump starting her. Sometimes we gotta spoil the old girl, right? Bought a battery for $108. That's crazy. Oh, look, an airplane. Huh. Here we are, man. San Sivar. San Sivar, man. You brought us. What'd you think?
Yeah, that was awesome, man. It was a pretty unsuspecting looking place. The pupusa is interesting. I would say not really my thing, but a nice little hand food. If you want to get it on the street in New York, it's probably a good call. The burritos, excellent.
We got two different burritos. We got carne asada. We got marinated pork and chicken.
Yeah.
Out of the two burritos we got, what did you like?
I'm usually a pork guy, but that carne asada was especially good. I'm going carne asada.
Now the pupusas. I hope I said that right. Probably not. We got chicken and cheese.
And pork and cheese.
And pork and cheese.
Yeah.
Out of the two, what'd you like?
Pork and cheese for sure. Yeah, I'm usually a pork guy.
I liked everything we got. This was a win. And everything that you saw on the table, $24.
You could eat just the burrito and it's going to fill you up, and that's even less than $10.
The big question, would you come back?
I will come back.
You will. Yeah, I'll be back.
Hey, your boy Kelly, 2 for 2 on the Suburban Delinquents channel on food choices.
It's true, man. Now, I don't know. You know, you're going to have to come up with a third spot.
Oh, I'll figure it out. I'm keeping my perfect record.
All right, I'm gonna go over a few comments. My chicken fried steak COVID-19 redemption video. All right, let's see what you guys got for me. We got 190 comments in this one. First one, 303 Moto. Pro tip, when you get a true hand battered fried steak, get the gravy on the side to dip the steak into. Keeps the coating crispy. Good to know, man. That comment's got 21 likes. California Poon Tapa says, false. Good country fried steak should stay crispy even with the gravy. Oh, looks like we got some debating going on. One thing I learned about these chicken fried steak videos is you guys are passionate about your chicken fried steak, as you should be, man. Next comment, David Schilling. Might be time to give that bike some maintenance love from Chaparral. It's been a while. We put a new battery in her today. She got a new front tire about a week ago. We're on the mend. This one from Bass167. If you want a good chicken fried steak, you need to come to the south and get a real cowboy or someone's grandma to make it, and you'll never go back. Next time I'm in Texas or somewhere south, I'll try another chicken fried steak. Let's read another one. Medium rare fully. That brake reservoir is going to fall off any day now. No, it's on there pretty good. It's not going to fall off. But yeah, it's a little bouncy wouncy. I want to thank all you guys that stuck around for the duration of this video. It means a lot knowing you guys are here with me watching it to the end. Please leave me a comment. I might read yours in the next video. Check out my website if you haven't already. Got some stuff happening over there. And Patreons. Thank you guys. Thanks for sticking with me. Appreciate the support. And then always, please guys, support the channel partners. We got a good group of companies supporting the channel. If you're in the market for any of their products or services, just consider them first. That's all I ask. All right guys, until next time. I'll see you later.